futuristic and commanding. This is the 2025 BMW X9, the largest and most luxurious SUV ever imagined by BMW, blending German engineering excellence with ultimate prestige. On the exterior, the 2025 BMW X9 makes a dramatic entrance. Its massive kidney grille, illuminated with BMW's signature light accents, is flanked by ultra-slim adaptive LED headlights with laser technology. The sculpted hood, flowing character lines, and a stretched silhouette give it an elegant yet muscular stance. At the rear, full-width OLED taillights and quad exhausts underline its sporty DNA, while 23-inch forged alloy wheels emphasize its road presence. With aerodynamic shaping and a coupe-like roofline, the X9 embodies both power and refinement in motion. Step inside, and the 2025 X9 sets a new benchmark for BMW luxury. The cabin offers 3 rows of seating, wrapped in hand-stitched merino leather and complemented by open-pore wood, crystal controls, and ambient lighting with customizable moods. The centerpiece is BMW's curved panoramic display, merging a 14.9-inch infotainment screen with a 12.3-inch digital cluster, powered by the latest iDrive 9 system with AI-based voice assistant. Passengers in the second row enjoy reclining captain's chairs with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, while the third row offers surprising spaciousness. A Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system and a panoramic sky lounge LED roof transform every journey into a first-class experience. Performance is pure BMW. The 2025 X9 is expected to feature a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 plug-in hybrid, producing over 650 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic and xDrive all-wheel drive. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour is expected in just 4.0 seconds. Remarkable for a full-size SUV. An all-electric variant, inspired by BMW's 9 lineup, is also anticipated, delivering instant torque and a driving range of around 350 miles per charge. Adaptive air suspension, rear-wheel steering, and advanced driving modes ensure a perfect balance of agility, comfort, and control. Safety and technology remain central, with BMW's latest driving assistant professional offering semi-autonomous driving, lane keeping, adaptive cruise, collision avoidance, and a 3D surround camera system. Over-the-air updates keep the X9 evolving, ensuring it remains ahead of its time. Pricing for the 2025 BMW X9 is expected to start at around $115,000, with performance-focused trims reaching over $150,000. Launch is slated for late 2025, marking BMW's boldest step into the world of ultra-luxury SUVs. The 2025 BMW X9 is more than just an SUV. It's the ultimate expression of size, strength, and sophistication, designed for those who demand power with prestige.